Guys, Main55 Shark here, and I'm playing a rage game. Well, rage game to me. Color switch. Yay. Okay. Want the game modes. I want to jump. Still. Shoot. I did a lot of these levels, but not much. So I'm really silent when I play games. It's like focusing so much. Yes. 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 Come on. I need to beat this level. I've been stuck in this level for weeks. Where's the blue one? No! Oh. Yeah. Think about cute puppies. Think about that. Just think about that. Don't rage. Don't rage. Come on. There you go. There you go. There you go. Do it. Ah! Yes. Yes. Come on, do it. See, I have the skin for my ball. It's a skull. Because I draw skulls everywhere. I don't know why. Yes! Finally! Oh, crap.